This video shows you how to install a hard disk on your printer. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Unpack the printer hard disk. Note: do not throw the information sheet. Remove the bracket. Warning: do not touch or press the center of the hard disk. Remove the controller board shield. And then remove the hard disk cover. Position the hard disk over the mounting holes, and then press. Connect the hard disk cable to the controller board. Attach the hard disk cover. And then attach the controller board shield. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.